One box. Okay, next step in the number 5 box. 5. Asan yung 5? 5. Okay, sige. Step number 8. Asan yung number 8? 8. Yes, very good. Step number 2. Number 9. Katabi ni number 10. Nasa si number 9?
Ito ba number 10?
Dulo yung number 10 eh.
Ito ba 10?
Ayo, very good. Okay, number 6. Number 3. Number 4.